going on, everybody? Jordan here. I'm back for another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing some new products from WOOLLY Wizard Beard Co. Let's get started. Alright, use code TRUTH15 to save 15% on WOOLLY Wizard Beard Co. Check out my previous WOOLLY Wizard Beard Co. content below, as well as WOOLLY Wizard's website. Definitely recommend these products. Really great feeling beard, really good quality labels, awesome ingredients. Tyler, the owner, is an awesome guy. I definitely recommend you guys check out WOOLLY Wizard if you haven't already. If not, if you already have, check out some more scents. Next, let's talk about WOOLLY Wizard. Alright, so WOOLLY Wizard's owner is named Tyler, based in London, Ontario. Small batch handmade men's grooming products are what they sell, including beard oil, beard butter, beard balm, soap, and merch. Yeah, let's talk about the ingredients in the beard oil. Alright, so the ingredients for the beard oil from WOOLLY Wizard are jojoba oil, apricot oil, metafoam seed oil, hemp seed oil, sweet almond oil, and fragrance oils. Really a great blend, simple, straightforward, high quality. Definitely makes my beard feel soft and healthy. Next, let's talk about the scents that I ordered. Alrighty, so I ordered the Roulette scent from Beard Oil Roulette, which happens on Thursdays at 9 p.m. I'll have the WOOLLY Wizard YouTube channel linked down below if you want to check that out, as well as last week's episode where this scent was created. I have to recommend checking that out on Thursday nights. Probably one of the only streams that I watch these days. Definitely a good time. I've been on as a guest a few times, so I'll have those linked down below as well. Yeah, so I got that, and that scent is mahogany, teakwood, blueberry, and tobacco, which sounds awesome. Definitely excited for that. As well as Druid's Grove, which is sweet bergamot, vanilla, cedar, and musk. And then the new scent, which just released last Thursday on Beard Oil Roulette, is Awaken, which is coffee, tobacco, vanilla, bergamot, and corn husk. Yeah, let's check out the stuff that I ordered. Alrighty, so like I said, I got the Roulette scent number 90, which is mahogany, teakwood, blueberry, and tobacco. Druid's Grove, which is sweet bergamot, vanilla, cedar, and musk. And then Awaken, which is the newest scent from WOOLLY Wizard, coffee, tobacco, vanilla, bergamot, and corn husk. Without further ado, let's hop into these. I also ordered a t-shirt. Forgot about it until I was talking to Tyler earlier today, because I was giving him props on how well protected this box is. Yeah, probably the most protected that I've ever seen from any beard products that I've gotten. Yeah, and one thing I wanted to mention, definitely I do appreciate the care that Tyler put into boxing this up and making it safely protected. Even though it wasn't shipping too far, definitely more companies that aren't doing this should definitely be adding that additional care on protecting products, because obviously, especially if they're coming from the US, because obviously USPS, for example, is not great with shipping things safely. Yeah, so I definitely appreciate the extra care. And Tyler's a small batch company, so there's no excuse for any of the bigger small batch companies that have had issues with their shipping. Yeah, so definitely, if there's any other companies watching this, definitely take note. It's the way to safely protect the products. Yeah, let's check them out. Alrighty. So, first thing that I got is a WOOLLY Wizard t-shirt, size large. Got the logo right on there. Super soft, super high quality. Definitely really nice t-shirt. I'll put this on in a minute. I really want to get through the rest of this unboxing. Definitely excited to check out these scents. We got another box. This slides open. Yeah, with the WOOLLY Wizard logo right there. Opens that way. Very cool. So, first thing you get is a note. Thank you for supporting WOOLLY Wizard Beard Co. We know that with great beards comes great responsibility. Powerful wizards use only high quality and ethically sourced ingredients in our small batch conjuring. And then, note on this side from Tyler, thanks Jordan, you rock. Nice handwritten note, pretty cool. Another WOOLLY Wizard sticker. Definitely excited for that. Gotta figure out where I'm gonna put that. Got everything nice and safely protected. Alrighty, so first thing is some testers for something that WOOLLY Wizard's working on. Definitely stay tuned for more information on that. Excited to check these out, get them in beard, test them out. Yeah, so you'll hear more about this in the next little while. So definitely stay tuned for that. Yeah, let's carry on with the unboxing. It's got the week 90 Roulette scent, awesome labels with week 90 written on the side. So that's one. And then we've got the new scent, Awaken, really cool label. And then we've got Druid's Grove. That's everything. Alrighty, let's check out these scents. Alrighty, let's check out these scents. So yeah, rocking my WOOLLY Wizard t-shirt, size large. Slim fit, tight around my arms, which is good. Pretty comfy, nice and soft. Really good quality logo, nice and big. Yeah, let's check out these scents. So like I said, Roulette scent number 90 is mahogany, teakwood, blueberry, and tobacco. Give that a shake. Check this out. Definitely get the blueberry. Mahogany is a darker wood, I believe, so I definitely think I'm getting that. Tobacco as well, I think. Yeah, definitely excited to get that one in beard. That's Roulette Roulette scent number 90. And alright, and then we have Awaken, which is coffee, tobacco, vanilla, bergamot, and corn husk. Yeah, really awesome label. Definitely excited about this one. Ooh, nice. If we get the coffee off the bat, I'd say the vanilla comes in there too. Tobacco mixed in. I don't get the bergamot immediately in bottle. You can tell it's lurking back there. Yeah, that's awesome. Definitely got like a week straight of rocking Woolly Wizard. Definitely excited about that. I actually have another tester that he sent me, I think last year, of a fall scent that he was testing. So I'm rocking that in beard today. We got Druid's Grove, which is bergamot, cedarwood, vanilla, and musk. Ooh, that's fresh. Yeah, definitely get the bergamot up front, and then I'd say the vanilla would be the next thing that I notice. Yeah, that's nice. Definitely excited to get that in beard. Yeah, so like I said, with those testers, you'll get more information on those in the next little while, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, let's wrap up this video. Alright, so one more time, I got the Roulette scent from week 90, which was last week. I'll have that stream link down below, and that one was mahogany, teakwood, blueberry, and tobacco. And I got Druid's Grove, which is sweet bergamot, vanilla, cedar, and musk. And then the new scent, which just came out recently, Awaken, which is coffee, tobacco, vanilla, bergamot, and corn husk. Yeah, and then use non-affiliate code TRUTH15 to save 50% on Woolly Wizard's website. And check out my previous Woolly Wizard content linked down below, as well as the previous streams for Beard Oil Roulette, the new scent, and all the products. Stay tuned for more info on these testers. Yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you've tried Woolly Wizard. If you have, what scents have you tried? What you think? Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll be back for more soon. Peace.